The Rebel Sessions have been a really spectacular event. Over 100 days, South Africa's big wave riders have been filmed while surfing the biggest and hardest swells of the Cape. Today, they will be rewarded with the 110,000 Rand prize money.
First Rebel session just finished successfully here at La Cabane, Hout Bay, South Africa, Cape Town. I think we have some extremely decent winners. I think we have some great waves. I think we brought big wave surfing in a new and brilliant format back to the big wave surfing community down here in South Africa.
The award for the worst wipeout went to James Taylor, who unfortunately could not be at the award ceremony. A friend of his accepted the award on his behalf. Jeremy Johnson from Hout Bay caught the biggest paddle wave and was honored with 20,000 Rand for this monster.
Nice thing about it is that all of us do it because we love it. At the end of the day, if there's no cameras, no boats, no jet skis, no nothing, the same, maybe not as many, but the same sort of people would be out there anyway.
The biggest wave caught with the help of a jet ski was surfed by Cometia surfer Andy Marr. Look at this thing! You must have felt pretty small out there, Andy. 30,000 Rand for that massive mania.
I think a lovely concept, and obviously a slightly slow season, but we did get a couple of good waves. Yeah, a couple of good tow, or that one beautiful tow day, and a couple of lovely paddle days. And nice to have the safety crew and interest and support.
So finally, after 100 days and 10 sessions at popular Cometia, local surfer Mike Schlebach won the best surfed wave over 15 foot for this really sick and long walling whaler. Seems to be a never-ending big wave that he skillfully surfed at Dungeons. Michael has been charging big waves off the Cape Peninsula for many years and was a standout surfer in every session he surfed throughout the winter. At the end, he even got barreled in this one. Wow!
It allowed the locals to sort of go out and ply their trade and have a good time surfing, and with no pressure and no anything really. It was actually just going out, doing a thing, and at the end of the day, having a few beers with your buddies and hopefully winning some cash.
The surprising Surfer of the Sessions award was going to the young Durbanite Josh Redmond for the commitment and skill he displayed in the water. Josh based himself in Cape Town for much of the winter, and his fearless assault on the Cape's big waves showed that he is a big wave talent to look out for in the future.
Yeah, it's actually the best event ever. Like there's no events that are anything like it where you can take a whole season and run an event over a whole season opposed to one day where some guy can get lucky and win it. This is more like a performance over the whole season. So yeah, it's unlike any event that's ever been, I suppose.
Well, there you have it, the lucky winners. This was the inaugural Rebel Sessions 2011, and also the end of Rebel TV for today. We hope to announce another Rebel Session in 2012. For more information, go to www.rebelsessions.com or check out rebel.tv. See you in 2012, everyone. Ciao.